Hello EGR family. If your scanner is showing the P2141 code, don't ignore it, because this code is directly related to your engine's EGR system. And if it fails, your engine performance and emissions both get affected. P2141 stands for EGR Throttle Control Circuit Low. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the EGR throttle control system is receiving low voltage. Now let's understand this properly. The EGR system helps reduce harmful emissions. It sends a controlled amount of exhaust gas back into the intake. This helps improve fuel efficiency and reduce pollution. But when the control circuit voltage becomes low, the system cannot operate correctly, and the engine starts behaving abnormally. Common symptoms. If your vehicle has P2141, you may notice: check engine light on, rough or unstable idle, poor acceleration response, engine hesitation during driving, reduced fuel economy, increased emissions, and sometimes engine knocking or vibration. In some cases, vehicle may feel sluggish or underpowered. Now location very important. The EGR throttle control valve is usually located near the intake manifold. In many engines, it is connected directly with the EGR valve assembly. Some vehicles may have it mounted on the intake system piping. The wiring harness connects this system to the ECU, and this wiring passes through the engine bay where heat and vibration are high. That is why wiring damage is a common reason for this code. Now most common causes. In real-world diagnosis, P2141 is usually caused by damaged wiring in EGR circuit, loose or corroded connector, faulty EGR throttle valve, blown fuse or power supply issue, or low voltage from ECU output. In rare cases, ECU internal fault can also trigger this code. Quick diagnosis steps. First, scan the vehicle for additional EGR-related codes. Then inspect wiring harness near EGR system carefully. Check connectors for corrosion, oil, or loose fit. After that, check fuse and power supply to EGR system. Use a multimeter to verify voltage at the actuator. Also check if carbon buildup is blocking EGR movement, because carbon-stuck valves are very common in high-mileage cars. Repair process. Repair damaged wiring first. Clean corroded connectors properly. Replace faulty EGR valve or actuator if needed. Fix fuse or power supply issues. Clean carbon deposits if present. Clear the code from ECU. And perform a full road test. Estimated repair cost. Wiring repair is low to medium cost. EGR cleaning is low cost. EGR valve replacement is medium to high cost. And ECU repair is rare and expensive. Final result. Fixing P2141 will restore proper EGR function. Your engine will run smoother. Fuel efficiency will improve. And emissions will stay under control. If this video helped, subscribe EGR and comment your car model for more diagnostic codes.